Hey again, in this video we will try to do real world example about how we could change code from unoriented to oriented. So if you remember, we already create database connection, that is connect to the database, have main method and number of actions. I want to change this code to oriented code. If you see, I have one variable that's shared between all methods, and I have number of methods: delete, create, list, and all these update, whatever. So now think about, I want to add all these in a class. What you need to know, first of all, this is used between all the methods. That means this one have to go to be inside as a to be as a properties. So to get started, let me create a class. I name it db connect, so I could use it later on. You will see how easy when we would use it later on. This because the class first character small, so I select all these, the code that I have it, then click tab, so they should be the child for this one. So now they mean, hey, all these are the child of this class. Now I want to do init, so initialize, so should be init, hopefully initialize, hopefully I write it in correct way, I don't know why. Init in this way, underscore div underscore init. That's mean, hey, this is the initialize method. So in initialize, what you need to do, this one have to go inside the initialize, should be self. Okay, you just dot underscore, you just create an instance in the database. That's great. Also these have to be used for one time, so so you could do them in a create method, or you could keep them, but I would say they are using for one time, so they are no longer need to be there. They should be here, they should be in initialize method. Also, you know, all these names should be changed in this way, so you have to change db to db cell, db to db cell, db to db cell. Here someone call it, have to pass self because this is method, db cell, db cell, db cell. This one he doesn't call anything, but he needs self, and this one he access to db cell, printing, nothing else. This one delete, he ask for self, he to use db cell, db cell, db cell. That's great. This one also use self and db cell, db cell, db cell. Now see how oriented this class. Just by creating instance from db connect, he will already connect to the database and he already create the table for us, so you don't need to think a lot. Then just call the method add or list or whatever. So going here, I will create an instance from the database, so let me name it db connect instance equal the db connect this class. That's mean, hey, create an instance. While he create this instance, what he will do, he directly will go here and he initialize for us, he connect the database, he do execute for a create table, and he also prepare everything for us, like db create the create table, get database and everything. Now wait, I want to do add, so really easy, just db connect dot add, db connect dot list, db connect dot delete, db connect dot update. Now everything cool. If I just rerun it, he asks me same thing. If I want to list the element, I already have them, click 2, see that this element I already have them. If I click 1, ask me to add, I name it Jenna. Do I have Jenna? Yes, no I don't have. 3 years Jenna, and now I click 1 Ahmed, and 10 years, and now I click 2 to list the element. This is for element. For delete, I click 4, delete index 5. Now I click it updates, so for 5 I want to update age from 10 to 5. So now if I click 2 to list, he show me 5 age for Ahmed. Now to delete, I select 3, so to delete which one I want to delete, Ahmed, which is 5. There you go. Now click 2 to list, same thing. Now see, same result, but the code is oriented. Now whenever I want to use this class, I just copy it and use it in any other place. So it's better to make my code more oriented. What I will do this. I will create a new class, then I name it db connect. Okay, I could name it class db connect if you want, class db connect. Okay, then yes, then I will take all this code, which is creating an instance from the database, and I move it to this class. Now when I want to use this class here, just I do import. I say, hey, from the class, which is a class db connect, import the class name. What's the class name? db connect. Same thing, same result. But now the good thing, I could use this file from different classes. Whenever any class I want to use this file, I just call it, and yes, I'm done. I'm totally okay. Okay, so yes, that's a great.